As you've likely heard by now, Josh Duggar was sentenced to 12.5 years in federal prison last week. The sentencing hearing came nearly 6 months after Josh was convicted of receiving and possessing CP. The day that he was found guilty, Josh was cuffed and hauled off to the Arkansas County jailhouse that served as his home ever since. Any day now, he'll be placed in the federal prison that will house him for at least the next decade, and Josh's quality of life will very much depend on where he ends up. According to a new report from local Fox affiliate KNWA, Judge Timothy L. Brooks has considered the particulars of Josh's case and issued a recommendation to the Bureau of Prisons. BOP spokesman Donald Murphy tells KNWA that the Bureau designates individuals to institutions based on a number of factors. Some of the factors include the level of security and supervision that inmate requires, any medical or programming needs, separation and security measures to ensure the inmate's protection, and other considerations, including proximity to an individual's release residence, Murphy says. Judge Brooks has recommended that Josh be placed in either the Seagoville or Texarkana Federal Correction Institutions (FCI), both of which are located in Texas. Brooks told the court that Seagoville is his first choice due to the facility's high-end treatment program for sex offenders. The BOP's website describes Seagoville as a low-security federal correctional institution with an adjacent minimum security satellite camp and a detention center. The facility is about a 6-hour drive from the town, Arkansas, where Josh's wife Anna currently lives with the couple's 7 children. Seagoville FCI's treatment program for sex offenders consists of outpatient groups meeting 2 to 3 times per week for several hours, and it takes 9 to 12 months to complete. It's described as a moderate-intensity program which allows participants an opportunity to learn basic skills and concepts to help them understand their past offenses and to reduce risk of future offending. The program is offered only to offenders evaluated to have low to moderate risk of reoffending, but it is not clear how that level of risk is determined. At Josh's sentencing hearing, Judge Brooks stated that the court does have concerns about recidivism. It's unclear if Josh's continued insistence upon his innocence could prevent him from participating in the program. The Texarkana facility offers no such treatment program, but it is slightly closer to the Duggar's home in Tontitown. The BOP's website notes that Texarkana is famous for its efforts to enforce the Prison Rape Elimination Act. The Bureau reports that inmates receive information explaining the agency's zero-tolerance directive regarding sexual abuse and sexual harassment upon their arrival at the facility. Wherever he's sent, it seems that Josh will be receiving fewer visitors than he's accustomed to. If she's weren't constrained by finances, Anna might move closer to Josh's prison. As it is, however, sources say Anna is moving in with Josh's parents, Jim, Bob, and Michelle, as she has few other options. Insiders have predicted that prison will be hell for Josh, and that the county jailhouse where he's been living has given him little sense of what the experience will be like. Whatever the case, it seems that Josh's living situation is about to become radically different from what he's accustomed to.
That's it for now, thank you for watching, please subscribe to stay tuned.